Welcome back to HS Auto. Today, we're talking about the new 2026 Honda Shine 100. Honda's lightweight commuter aimed at everyday riders who want reliability, mileage, and low ownership costs. Hashtag design. The 2026 Shine 100 keeps things clean and practical. Expect subtle styling updates, fresh graphics, and a refined commuter stance that's built for daily use rather than flash. It's simple, familiar, and functional. Hashtag engine and performance. At its core, the Shine 100 focuses on smooth, stress-free riding. The engine is tuned for city commutes, offering easy acceleration, low vibration, and dependable performance for short and medium rides. Hashtag mileage and efficiency. Fuel efficiency remains a big highlight. The Shine 100 is designed to deliver excellent mileage, making it a smart choice for riders who want to keep fuel bills in check without sacrificing usability. Hashtag features and comfort. Look for essential features like a comfortable seat, easy handling, and commuter-friendly ergonomics. Honda's focus here is durability, rider comfort, and hassle-free maintenance. Hashtag price and launch expectations. The 2026 Honda Shine 100 is expected to stay competitively priced in the entry-level commuter segment, with a launch aimed at budget-conscious buyers seeking long-term value. Hashtag final verdict. The new 2026 Honda Shine 100 continues Honda's commuter legacy. Simple, efficient, and reliable. If your priority is everyday practicality with trusted engineering, this bike is worth keeping an eye on.